Mr. Speaker, come. Come down. Ubumba, take a salute. Yes. Ubumba. Adwire. Stand by. Stand by. Don't go away. Stand by. Deputy Governor, what are you doing there? Come and get a salute. Yes, stand by the side.
It's okay, go on during the war.
I am. Good. Your Excellency, Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the General of the People's Army, Odogwadi, Ezi Igbo Gburugburu, Udeji Akpagụ, Amanegbu Igwe, Omibe Swani, Ikemba Nnewi, Odeli Bongo. Ezigbo, here in front of you are your children led to your house by house. And as customary, I've come to seek permission to enter your house with my delegation. I know you are here looking at me. Of course, standing by my side, no, not by my side, somewhere near me, is Anyanwu Ụtụtụ, the only and the only darling of yours, Excellency. Ezigbo, I will brief you in spirit while we are here. We are here to assure you that we are still on the mission. We are still on the mission. The party which you led gallantly and established and handed over to us before your departure. Your Excellency, we are still on the march. Come rain, come shine, we are still on duty. We are still on duty. Your Excellency, I remember your charge and your charges that we shall not slumber, that we should be vigilant always, and that we should not allow anything to happen to Abga, and that we, the Igbos, you led gallantly, should not go to any other war again alone in Nigeria. Your Excellency, you told us to be united, to be focused, and put our eyes on the ball until the Igbos get to the promised land. Your Excellency, that was their charge before you left. And I want to tell you that even if all the soldiers run away, I am here with my brothers and sisters. We shall continue to march on until we press the tape, until we get into the promised land. That is our solemn promise to you. Now that we have come here, we believe you are here in spirit. My boss, you have seen me. We know that in heaven above, may gallant soul continue to rest in peace.
Amen.
The God be with you. When you are home, can we go now and sit down? I hear you. Yes, you can. Thank you, sir. About on. About on. Yes, I have Yaka. I want to get into it. I'm going to know the Zaria. Yes, you may go and sit down. I'm going to tell you may sit down. I will never be busy with no check. You know, they're not one more. You know, you may not have your shit. It's a cross. Give them permission. Yeah, take permission. Never come on here physically. You come on physically, you know, whatever I am.